Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick but powerful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to instantly reverse your open positions in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip your trades with just a couple of clicks, a trick that can literally save you precious seconds, especially when the market starts moving fast. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this is a practical shortcut that belongs in your toolbox. So let's get right to it. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. Pretty straightforward. You can do this in your browser or through the TradingView app, whatever you're most comfortable with. Give it a second to load up all your charts and watch lists. Now, what we want to do is head over to Products. You'll usually see this along the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Clicking on Products just helps us access all the features TradingView offers, not just charts. We're going to use the trading panel in this tutorial, so that's our next stop. Look down toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a little tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click it. You might need to expand it if it's not showing. Don't worry if you haven't used it before. Think of the trading panel as your command center for executing actual live trades right from within TradingView. Too many people overlook this part, but it's super handy. Next up, let's connect your broker account. This step's important because reversing positions can only be done if you're actually linked up with a supported broker. If you haven't connected before, you might need to spend an extra minute here to enter your broker credentials and give permissions. TradingView supports quite a few brokers, but not all of them allow you to reverse positions directly. So if you don't see this option, it might be a limitation of your broker, not TradingView itself. Once you're connected, you'll see your account and active positions in the trading panel. Now let's focus on the trade you want to reverse. Go ahead and select Trade. This is usually beside your open positions information. If you have multiple positions open, make sure you're picking the one you actually want to flip. Double-checking here can save you from headaches later. Now here's the magic. If you're currently long, that is, you've bought, for example, 1 BTC and you click on reverse position, here's exactly what happens. TradingView will immediately close your long position so you're no longer exposed in that direction. But instead of leaving you flat, it'll automatically open a new short position of the same size, in this example, shorting 1 BTC. So you go straight from bull to bear in a single step. If you were short, let's say you're selling 5 ETH, it works the same way in reverse. TradingView will close out your short and instantly open a long position of the same size. This can be an absolute game changer in fast-moving markets. Maybe the news just broke or you see a technical reversal. It means you don't have to close your trade, wait for confirmation, and then manually open a new one. You just click once and you're shifted to the opposite side. Those extra seconds can be the difference between catching a move and missing out entirely. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. This feature only works if your broker or exchange integration supports it, so if you don't see the reverse position option, check with your broker's available features. Also remember, reversing a position actually counts as two separate actions, closing one, opening another, which may come with double commissions or fees. It's something to factor in, especially if you're trading frequently or with larger sizes. And that's really all there is to it. Pretty straightforward once you know where to click, but a real lifesaver in the heat of trading. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. Got questions? Leave them down in the comments. I do read them all. And if you want more practical TradingView walkthroughs just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.